Shalini here from Tech Katha, and this video explains you about the arithmetic operators plus, minus, multiplication, division and modulus. To understand these operators, let's have a print statement and let us print the result of 2 plus 2, which gives you 4. If you say in the print statement, for example, 8 minus 2, it gives you the result as 6. If you say we print 10 into 2, that is 20, you get 20. For division, we'll add, suppose, 20 divided by 3. Now 20 divided by 3 gives you only the quotient without decimal. So 3 6 are 18, remainder is 2, we get the quotient, that is 6. Now there is also a variation with this division. For example, here if I say 20.0 divided by 3, or if I say 20 divided by 3.0, or if I say 20.0 divided by 3.0. So difference over here is these both are of same types, 20 and 3. Here you can see these both are of different types, that is double and integer. Then we have integer and double and double and double. If any of the one value is of type double or a higher data type, you get the result in the higher data type. So we get the result in double, that will be equal to 6.66 something. So for all these three statements, you get the same output. So if any one of the value is in double, you get the output as double. If in case of division, you provide the mod, you get the remainder. 3 6 are 18, 6 is the quotient and 2 is the remainder. So modulus operator is used for displaying, for getting the remainder from an expression. Instead of constants, definitely we can also use variables. So I can say suppose x is 20, y is 34, and I can say int sum is equals to x plus y. So you can have variables and store the result in another variable, and you can just print the output, say sum. Or you can also say, instead of sum having a third variable and storing the result, I can directly print the result by saying x plus y. So this gives you the output as 54. They both give the same output. Now there is also one more thing in arithmetic operators, and that is called as shorthand assignment operators. Now before we go ahead and understand what are shorthand assignment operators, first let's execute this program and verify our outputs. See 4, 6, 26, and here you can see for all the three you get decimal numbers, then 2, 54 and 54. Now the shorthand assignment operators, what are they? Suppose I am saying x is equals to x plus 100. Now what is the value of x? 20. So if you watch carefully, in the expression I am using the variable x, adding 100 to it and storing the result back in the same variable, that is x. If you have these kind of scenarios, I can use the shorthand assignment operator. Make sure there is no space between these two, and I can say 100. So the line numbers 24 and 25, they both do the same thing. Add value 100 to the variable x and assign the value to the x itself. You can do this for all the operators. I can say minus equals to 20. I can say x division is equals to say 10. I can say x multiplication is equals to say 100. I can say x mod is equals to say 2. So if we just comment this one out and we try to print the output, we'll say x and here. So what we will get the output over here? X has value to x has value 20 plus 100, that is 120. Then here 120 minus 20, we get 100. We are saying x division equals to 10. So 100 divided by 10, you get 10. Here you are saying 10 into 100, so you get 1000. Here you are saying 1000 mod 2, which again gives you a remainder as 0, you get 0. So let's verify the output. So you can see 120, 100, 10, 1000 and 0. So we have the shorthand assignment operators and we also have the normal arithmetic operators. Now there is again one more thing, that we have mathematical expressions. For example, m is equals to a square minus b square by ab. Now if you want to represent this mathematical expression in Java expression and give to the Java compiler to execute, it doesn't understand this kind of expression writing a square minus b square, and it doesn't automatically interprets that between a and b there is a multiplication operator. So then how do you represent this in the Java expression? To do that, we'll have three variables a, b and m, and we will convert this mathematical expression in the Java expression for compiler to understand and execute the result. So again, I'll be declaring a variable m, I'll be declaring a variable a, suppose 5, I'll declare a variable b, say suppose 2. So we have declared these three variables. Now to write that mathematical expression, we'll say a into a minus b into b, then divided by, we'll again put a round bracket, a into b. And then if we try to print the value of m, let's see what it prints. So see, we get the output as 2. Make sure you put round brackets for a into b as well. In case you write the expression this way without providing the round brackets, you will get a different output. So this I leave it to you guys to tell me in the comments what is the difference between this round brackets, and if I do not provide the round brackets, how does the output for the m variable changes. So with this we come to an end of this video. Make sure that you also solve the assignment. The link for the same is provided in the description. Please do go ahead and practice, and that assignment covers all the concepts we have learned in this video. So till the next video, happy learning, take care and bye-bye.